Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now with a well-cut paper. Make sure the edges are squared and the center line is exact. Fold the sheet in half lengthwise, then open it. This center line is your alignment guide. Next, fold the top corners down to the center, forming precise diagonal creases. Press firmly so the nose is sharp. Once done, flatten every fold with a fingernail or a straight edge to lock the geometry, because a clean nose and equal halves determine balance and initial trajectory. Now you shape the body. Fold each outer edge into the center line so the paper forms a long, narrow triangle. Symmetry is crucial, so constantly check both sides. Once both sides meet, fold the resulting edges back slightly to create thin winglets. This adds stability. Tuck any loose inner flaps inside the fuselage to increase rigidity, and then add 2 small inward nose folds to stiffen impact points. Make sure to keep the weight forward, but not so heavy the dart noses downward. Finish by opening wings slightly and setting a small dihedral. Raise each wing edge about 1 to 2 mm from the table so the dart self-corrects in flight. Test with 3 gentle throws, observing glide vs dive. Make incremental tweaks to wing camber and nose stiffness between attempts. If it spirals, compare and correct wing angles. If it nosedives, remove a tiny nose fold or shift weight aft. You'll learn to tune by feel. Adjust small, then test again, because tiny changes matter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.